a zoo. We live in a crazy world, caught up in a rat race. Concrete jungle life is sometimes a mad place. It's you and me together, the end of a wild day. Don't keep it all bottled up and release your energy.